What is going on, YouTube? Right here, Collectibles, back at you with a new video. Today I have a Leaf multi-sport 10 card set plus one bonus item, which you get a slab proof or an autograph card per box. And as you can see, someone like Trevor Lawrence, Joe Montana, auto over here. And then I have Brother and Cards Break that I joined, and it was the Mosaic NFL 2 hobby boxes. But I hope everybody's team wins. I know it's unlikely that everybody's team is going to win, but we have some good games this week. Today, Bengals and Chiefs, and then you have the Niners and Rams. I personally like to see the Bengals and Rams, but that's just me. But let's open this. All right, let's get ripping and see. I don't even remember what teams I got. I think the Jets and somebody else, but I don't know. Let's see what I got. All right. And I will put the link below for Brothers and Cards website. Let's see here. And here's Brothers and Cards subscription boxes. And there is a code for you guys to scan. Alright, so it looks like the Cowboys. It was the Jets and Cowboys. So let's see here, some of Dak Prescott. Zeke, and everybody, these are not Pro Bowl cards. These are just variations, they call them. I just put NFC on there. It's just a different photo of the player. Deshaun White. As you can see, there's the Zeke right there. That's his base card. And that's his NFC variation card. Not variant as in short print, just it's called a variation of a picture. Jason Witten, Silver Mosaic Man of the Year. And then I got an Emmitt Smith. What is this one? This is the Legend Series. And of course, there was also, they had some pack. They did a bronze pack, so I had a Don Russ in there. Michael Carter, Jamison Crowder AFC, another one. Jamison Crowder, as you can see, the variation, the AFC variation photo, and then the base card. And then you got Denzel Mims, and then of course another Crowder. And then I got a Zach Wilson base rookie, and a true silver of Elijah Moore. And then a Micah Parsons rookie, NFL debut. So very nice. Wish I pulled an auto, but can't always win. I do have another NFL coming back from a break from Jason Jetbreakers, I believe it was. And I got some good stuff in that one, so stay tuned for that video, as that package just kind of was delayed with all the crazy madness of shipping right now. But alright, so let's see this. I think I've seen this open before. I'm not 100% sure. It's probably not worth it, but something to rip. As I think it's just like the same packs, are not packs, but it's just like they have cards in a little holder. I think all the cards are always the same. There might be like a gold variant, but it looks like I got a slab And of course, here's the cards. This is the red version, which is, I think, is the base. And I think the gold is the limited one. But as you see, you got Aaron Rodgers, Bryson DeCumber, however you say it, Fernando Tatis, Giannis, Jason Dominguez, Justin Fields, Mike Tyson, Steph Curry, Trevor Lawrence, and then a Wander Franco. All right, let's see what our slab card is. It is a Kellen Mod, Armed and Dangerous, 1/1 Prismic Green, production proof. Not bad. Would have liked a better card than that, but that's the gamble you take. An auto would have been nice too. But thank you so much for joining me. I hope everybody has a great day. I hope everybody enjoys football today. I'll catch you in the next video.